What's up, everybody? It's your guy Victor Mason, back at you again with another freight video. Today we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence, but not the way that you're used to talking about it. We're going to be talking about the freight skills that AI can't replace. Everybody's in a frenzy. AI is going to replace my job. AI is going to replace freight brokers. We're talking about all of that today and why we won't ever be replaced by AI. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope that you enjoy the video. Peace. Artificial intelligence is changing logistics, routing, tracking, pricing, automation. Every year, more tools promise to replace manual work in freight. So the question becomes, what parts of freight will AI replace and what parts will it never replace? So in this video, I want to break down the specific skills in freight brokerage that AI can't replace and why they matter more in 2026 than ever, and what this means ultimately if you're building a long-term career or business in this industry. So let's start with an important reality. AI is excellent at patterns, it's excellent at data, it's excellent at speed, it's excellent at optimization, but freight brokerage is not just a data business, it's a judgment business, and judgment is where humans still dominate. The first skill that AI can't replace is relationship buildings. Freight is a relationship industry. Shippers don't trust algorithms, they trust people. Carriers don't haul freight for software, they haul freight for brokers that they trust. Long-term customers are built through credibility, consistency, accountability, and reputation. AI can just manage a CRM. It cannot earn loyalty. The second skill AI cannot replace is negotiation. Freight negotiation is contextual. Rates change by lane, by season, by equipment, capacity, customer behavior, carrier history. A human broker understands when to push, when to protect margin, when to concede to protect the relationship. AI perhaps couldn't suggest a rate, but it cannot read the room. The third skill is risk judgment. Freight is full of uncertainty. Which carrier is reliable? Which load is risky? Which customer is creditworthy? Which lane is fragile? AI can score risk, but humans make final decisions. One bad carrier, one bad customer, one bad contract. Those decisions require experience, not just probability. The fourth skill is problem solving under pressure, and every broker knows this. Loads break, trucks break, weather hits, shippers change, receivers delay. And in those moments, the broker who wins is not the one with the best software. It's the one who can stay calm, that can communicate clearly, that can negotiate solutions, and ultimately protect relationships. AI can flag a problem, but it cannot solve a human conflict. The fifth skill is business judgment. Freight brokerage is not just execution, it's strategy. Which customers to pursue, which lanes to specialize in, which freight to avoid, and how to structure your operation, when to scale, when to protect cash. These are not technical decisions, they're business decisions, and they define who survives long term. Now, let's talk about what AI will replace. It will replace manual data entry, basic tracking, rate suggestions, simple dispatching, administrative work. And that's a good thing because it frees humans to focus on high-value skills, relationships, negotiation, judgment, strategy, risk management. And the brokers who lose to AI won't be replaced by machines. They'll be replaced by brokers who know how to use machines better. And so here's the bigger point. AI doesn't eliminate opportunity, it raises the bar. In 2026, freight brokers will reward people who can think, people who can judge, people who can negotiate, people who can build trust, and then ultimately people who can run a real business, not people who just move data. This is why freight brokerage is still a human industry. This technology improves execution, humans control outcomes, and the brokers who build durable businesses are the ones who invest in skill, in structure, in systems, in judgment, not shortcuts. This also explains why so many new brokers fail. They focus on tools, they ignore fundamentals, then they buy software before they understand freight. But technology doesn't fix weak structure, it amplifies it. In the long run, AI will not replace good freight brokers, it will replace undisciplined ones, and it will create massive opportunity for professionals who know how to combine human judgment with intelligent systems. So if you're serious about building a long-term freight business, here's the takeaway. Learn the skills that compound. Relationships, negotiations, risk judgment, and business strategy. Those skills survive every market cycle and every technology wave. Some people want to figure this out through trial and error. Others want speed, certainty, and structure from day one. And if you're in that second group, I work with a small number of clients where we help structure and launch freight brokerages the right way. Built for modern markets, but also built for long-term survival. And if that sounds like you, check the link in the description or comment freight, and I'll send you the details. And if this video helped you, as always, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.